Underground cables versus aerial bunched cables. This document explores the differences, advantages, and disadvantages of underground cables and aerial bunched cables, two common types of electrical distribution systems. Understanding these differences is crucial for selecting the appropriate cable type for specific applications, considering factors such as installation environment, cost, and maintenance requirements. Overview of underground cables. Underground cables are insulated cables that are buried beneath the ground. They are designed to transmit electricity while being protected from environmental factors. Advantages of underground cables. Protection from weather. Underground cables are less susceptible to damage from weather conditions such as storms, high winds, and ice. Aesthetic appeal. They do not interfere with the landscape or urban aesthetics, making them preferable in residential and commercial areas. Reduced risk of accidents. Being underground reduces the risk of accidental contact, which can be a safety hazard with overhead lines. Disadvantages of underground cables. Higher installation costs. The installation process is more expensive due to the need for excavation and specialized equipment. Difficult maintenance. Locating faults and performing repairs can be challenging and time-consuming, often requiring significant digging. Limited cooling. Underground cables may have reduced cooling capabilities compared to aerial cables, which can affect their performance. Overview of aerial bunched cables. Aerial bunched cables consist of multiple insulated conductors bundled together and suspended from poles or towers. They are commonly used in overhead power distribution systems. Advantages of aerial bunched cables. Lower installation costs. Aerial cables are generally cheaper to install since they do not require extensive excavation. Easier maintenance. Faults can be identified and repaired more easily, as they are accessible without the need for digging. Better cooling. The open-air environment allows for better heat dissipation, which can enhance performance. Disadvantages of aerial bunched cables. Vulnerability to weather. Aerial cables are more exposed to environmental factors, making them susceptible to damage from storms, falling branches, and other hazards. Aesthetic concerns. Overhead lines can detract from the visual appeal of an area and may face opposition from communities. Safety risks. There is a higher risk of accidents due to accidental contact with the cables. Conclusion. Both underground cables and aerial bunched cables have their unique advantages and disadvantages. The choice between them depends on various factors, including installation costs, maintenance considerations, environmental conditions, and aesthetic preferences. Understanding these differences is essential for making informed decisions in electrical distribution planning and implementation.